No matter what color it comes in, coolant is a very smart fluid. It knows how to keep the engine from freezing on a bitterly cold morning, while also keeping it from overheating in stop-and-go traffic on a hot summer day. Coolant absorbs heat created by the combustion chambers and takes it to the radiator where the heat dissipates, and then the coolant goes back for more. The additives in coolant also protect engine surfaces from rust, scale, and corrosion. The smart ingredients in coolant usually include ethylene or propylene glycol, special additives known as inhibitors, and distilled water. As bright and clean as coolant is when it's new, from the day it's installed, coolant begins to degrade. And at a certain point, it will expose its dark side. Among other methods to detect coolant failure, a pH test will tell you exactly when a coolant contains a greater amount of acid or alkaline. When coolant becomes acidic, corrosion occurs throughout the cooling system. Corrosion and scale can be observed around the thermostat housing, radiator, water pump, and if you look inside the engine, the cylinder heads. Other signs include calcium deposits around the radiator cap, hoses that deteriorate from the inside out, and scale on cooling fins inside of the radiator. Over time, corrosion inhibitors are gradually depleted. Once used up, corrosion accelerates and scale builds up, affecting metal surface protection and efficient heat transfer. At every maintenance interval, the pH and freeze point must be checked. When coolant fails its pH test, it should be replaced. BG does this with a BG Cooling System Service. Three elements that work together in any cleaning process are heat, a cleaner, and agitation. That is why this service begins with a cleaner added to the radiator as the engine runs at operating temperature for 15 minutes. This allows the BG Universal Cooling System Cleaner to remove deposits throughout the system. All of the old fluid is removed and replaced with new coolant and BG Universal Supercool, which inhibits degradation of the coolant and improves overall coolant protection capabilities. It's very important to keep the entire cooling system free of leaks. BG Universal Cooling System Sealer stops head gasket seepage and seals small leaks in the radiator and heater core. All BG sealers and conditioners include anti-foaming agents, which result in better heat transfer, and that keeps the engine running cooler. The BG Cooling System service includes $4,000 of cooling system protection and is included at no additional charge with the lifetime BG Protection Plan for cooling systems.